beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to show you how to add a collection page to your Shopify store. But before we get into that, if you are interested in learning more about Shopify, I have a playlist on my YouTube channel called Shopify Tutorial for Beginners. And right now, I believe I have 5 videos in there. My most watched video on all of my Shopify Tutorial for Beginners is how to change the background color of your Shopify store. I will link that video up above. Also, I made another video showing you how to add a feature image to your collection page. I also made a video showing you how to add products to your Shopify store, but I never made a video showing you how to actually make a collection page and put it on the main menu so that when you go in, you will see the drop down of those items. So that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to create a collection page and how to add it to the main menu. So let's go over to Shopify and get started. So as you know, my store name is Touch Me Textures. So the first thing you do when you're adding a collection page is we're going to go over to products. Click on that and you're going to see, and that's towards the left of the page. You're going to see a drop down menu. And then you're going to click on collections. Now when you click on collections, you're going to see a page where all of your collections are included already. So what we're going to create a jewelry collection for just for video purposes. So I'm going to have one heading that says jewelry, then I'm going to have one that says necklace. I'm just going to have rings, just so that the video isn't too long. We're just going to do those 3 tabs. So we click on create collections. And the first one, we're going to name it jewelry. Okay, so that is the title. In the description, you don't have to put anything, but I'm just put jewelry again. And I showed you how to add a feature image in another video. However, it's not necessary. You don't have to add it because, and I wouldn't suggest that you do, because if you set it to the theme templates, to the collection template to feature image, it's gonna take more bandwidth for your image to load, and it might make your website a little bit slower. So I don't suggest you add image, but if you want to, you could go ahead. So, all right, so we have what is called a jewelry page, and we come down here. It says condition product tag would equal, let's put again, jewelry. Another condition, we could say rings. Another condition, we could add a necklace. Now what this does is every time you add, let me see, KLAC, every time you add a piece of jewelry and you include these product tags, it's going to show up on the main jewelry page. So that's why we put, so if you had more jewelry, you could go ahead, like bracelet, anklet, whatever, you could go ahead and do that. So now that's it. We're going to save this. And remember, we're going to do a drop down. So we're going to have to do another collection, so that we could either go all the way back out and hit collections, or right here where it says created jewelry, create another collection. We could just click on that, create another collection. And this one we're going to name rings. And we're going to do the same thing as we did before, rings. All right. And yes. And then product tag equal rings. Another condition, could put jewelry again. So what happened, every time you add a piece of jewelry and you select these product conditions, that piece of jewelry will show up on that page. Necklace. So we're only doing these 3 for in the interest of time. And then we save that. And we're going to do one more. And after we do this last one, I'm going to take you over to the main page and add this to our main page. So the next one is going to be necklace. Product tag equal to necklace. Another condition, jewelry. And another condition, rings. And then we are going to save that. All right, now we're going to add all this to the main page. And we're going to make the main tab jewelry, and then we're going to make the other two as drop down tags. So the way you get over to the main page to add this now, after doing that, you scroll down over here to the left and you click on online store. Don't click on the I, click on the little store signal, because you're going into fix the main page. All right, and from here we're going to click on navigation. From online store, click on navigation. And then you see right here where it says main menu, click on main menu. And what we want to do in main menu, we want to add a new menu item. As you see, I have the home, I have clothing, I have accessories, and I have some drop down under here. If you see me click on this little arrow, actually no, let me do here because I'm working on jewelry and stuff like that. If you click on this little arrow or this little play sign, click it, you see it drops down, and we have bundle deals, sewing extension, and then I have another collection inside of bundle deals. If I click on that, see it give you all of the different deals that I have. So let's go ahead and add what we just created. So we created jewelry, we created rings, and we created necklace. So let's add all 3 of them. So it says add menu item. And then it's asking me the name of it. So I would look for jewelry. Okay. Now finding it there. So you go down to link. And then we go into collections. Click on collection because that pops up by itself. So you click on collections. And within collections, it automatically hits it through alphabetical order. And there we have jewelry. So click on that. And then we are going to click on add. So that drops it right there on our main page. Now we're going to add another menu item. We said we did also rings. So in the link box, just click inside of it. Collections will pop up. And then we find necklace, which is right there. Click it. Links to necklace and click on add. Next item. We said we did rings. So go in the link box. Collections. And then search for rings. And remember, it's in alphabetical order, so just scroll down. I passed it. Alright, so here we have rings. Click on add. Now, if we view, let me go over and we're going to view the store before I fix it up. But first you got to click save. Before any changes take effect, don't forget you have to click save. So let's save that. Then we're going to view the store by right-clicking on the little eye, little shape of an eye, and that's going to open up your store in a new tab. And I'm showing you this for a reason. It opens up your store in a new tab. And see, I'm on my main page now, which is what I link to I link my store too. I have that here, but if you see the little drop down, these little three lines on the left side, if you click on that, it will become a drop down. And as you see over here on the left, we have jewelry, and then under jewelry we have necklace and we have rings. We don't want it sitting like that. I want it to just say mainly jewelry, and then when I hover over jewelry or I click on the plus sign, it will let me drop down to necklace and rings. So now we go back over to our navigation page. Here we have jewelry right here, and we have necklace and rings sitting inside of it. I want these two to come inside of the jewelry tab. So what I do is, you see this little hand that appears when I hover over necklace, not exactly the word necklace, but a little bit to the left of it. Take that little hand, left click on your mouse, and drag it over just a little bit underneath jewelry. And now you see next to jewelry a little arrow points down. Let go. And that necklace menu has been added to jewelry. Do the same thing with rings. Little hand comes down, you drag it over and sit it right below necklace. Do not go further over, because what happens now, it becomes a drop down inside of necklace. You want necklace and rings to be a drop down inside of jewelry. So put it right underneath necklace, line it up just like that, and let go. And it didn't take, so do it again. Sometimes it takes more than one try. And now there we have it. And now make sure you click the save button. And then go back over to where you have your page open to view. Refresh. Okay, refresh. Now we do the drop down again. Scroll down, and now you see you have jewelry again, and then below jewelry, next to jewelry, you have a plus sign. If you hit that plus sign, you see you have rings and necklaces underneath it. And of course, it's going to open up to the page, but there are no, I didn't put any product in it yet. Well, I'm not going to do it anyway because I don't have rings on my site, but I was just doing it to show you the demo. So that is how you add a collection to your Shopify store, and also how to take it to the main menu and actually have drop down tabs. So that is it. Like I said, I've created a playlist within my YouTube channel to cover everything, all the videos that I've made pertaining to Shopify tutorial for beginners. So if there is a video that you need me to make regarding Shopify, and if I know how to do it, I'll go in and play around with it and see if it's possible, then leave it in the comments below. My computer is slow, guys. See how it's just spinning around and around? I need to refresh. But there is one of my subbies asked me about changing the menu drop down from the top of the Shopify store to put it on the side. But I honestly believe it comes with the theme that you're using. That's how the drop down menu works. So if there is anyone that's watching the video that knows how to do this, take the menu items from the top of the Shopify store over to the side, and stay within the theme that they're using, then link the video below, and so that the person who's watching it may be able to have an idea of how to do it. But I've looked around, and I'm not able to do it. And remember, we are here to help each other. So whatever comments that you're able to put in the comment section to help another person watching this video, go right ahead and do so. Other than that, I thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Remember to go in and watch all the other videos. It may be able to help you some way improve your Shopify store experience. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Also, remember to check out my Shopify store, touchmetextures.com. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye.